Welcome back everybody. We're just on a little afternoon walk now. We're just having a wander up to Carsington Waters. We don't want to spoil too much today. As I say, it's still Monday, so we've got all of this to do on Tuesday. So we're just going to have a quick wander, have a look round and get ourselves in the right mood for the walk tomorrow and that. So yeah, well, I don't know whether we're going to stick this on today's vlog or on the next one, so if it does appear with the site review and all that, we'll do that. If not, it probably go on the start of Tuesday's vlog. So yeah, we're just having I won't do too much, just have a quick look and that and take a few photos and that. So it's all good, weather's decent, it's not raining, so that's one thing. So yeah, we'll see you all soon. So we're just going to have a wander along the causeway. That's probably all we'll do today. As I say, just stretch our legs a bit this afternoon. Right, so that is the Drawoff Tower. So we'll just have a quick pan round so you can see what it's all about. As I say, Carsington Waters. As I keep saying that wrong, keep thinking of Castleton, but that's a trip for beginning of next year. Right, we're walking along the causeway. To the right hand side we've got the reservoir, and just panning over to the left we've got the main road and some lovely countryside. Right, we're still walking the causeway and we're almost getting towards the visitor centre and the sailing club now, so that's probably about as far as we're going to walk today. So as I said, we'll probably drop this in on today's vlog, just see how long everything else is when we put it all together. So if not, we'll stick it on tomorrow, or maybe just even do a separate short one. Right, we're just at the visitor centre now. We just come through the car park. Just a bit of advice, it doesn't really look spaces big enough for motorhomes. So luckily we're at the club site, so we can just take a wander along to here. It's about a short 2 miles to this point, so not too bad. So we'll just have a little look, see if we can grab a coffee or an ice cream. It's about 4:30 at the moment, so it's still a nice pleasant evening, day, afternoon. So we're now at the visitor centre. There's a mainsail restaurant open on the first floor. Looks like there's a variety of shops, cafe, courtyard, restaurant, toilets, etc. I was hoping there'd be an ice cream van, but no such thing. Alright, so that's just a little map route. As I say, I believe it's 8 or 9 miles all the way around. So we're just going to have a little wander down here and probably leave it at that for today. Right, I think we're just going to have a little wander to the Stones Island Trail, see what all that is about. Might be a bit of water for Sky to go in. Not sure whether she'll be off her lead, but she is. Well, there you go. Little beachy bit. Glorious. You guessed it, no ball for her. So we'll have to throw some stones in the water. Oh well, there she is, quite happy, just chasing a few stones. Lovely little setting here. You'd never believe we was in Derbyshire. It's a bit more like Lake District. There you go, Sky's pretty happy having a swim. Right, we'll continue along. As I say, this is called Stones Island, maybe because there's loads of stones everywhere, I guess. Right, we'll continue with our walk. Right, we've got a few interesting stones here set out in a circle. Not too sure what they're about. Right. This is turning out to be a nice little pleasant little walk. Yeah, you can go in, Sky. Go on in. Right, so that was a pleasant little walk, that. So we're going to end the walk pretty soon. If there's anything else to show, we'll stick it on. As I say, Sky's really happy she's found the water. And we'll do more of Carsington Waters tomorrow. Right, we're heading back to the site now, to the motorhome. Going to get a bit of dinner on and that. So yeah, this footage around the reservoir, we're filming this on the Osmo Pocket 2, so please let me know what you think of the difference between the iPhone and the Osmo Pocket 2. I've got my suspicions that the Pocket 2 is better, but we really like to know what you think, and that will probably dictate what we use in the future and that. So it's been a nice walk, so we'll stick this on a vlog at some point, and we'll see you all on Tuesday for day 2 at Carsington Waters.